Hello everyone, it's my pleasure today to introduce you to the new R2-Series Bobcat excavators in a 5 to 6 ton range where performance meets comfort. We came up with 3 models in this class: the new Zero Tail Swing E50Z, Premium Performance E55Z, and the flagship Conventional Tail Swing E60. Before we started development work, we visited customers in all the regions to make sure the new machines will meet all their needs. Customers were also involved during the entire development process. In other words, just like with the other R-Series machines, these were truly built around the operator. On the first sight, you can see the dynamic and robust design. The counterweight and robust steel side channels protect the inside components. All critical components, such as lights and hoses, have additional protection. You can also opt for the patented cylinder inside boom to maximize the protection of the boom cylinder. Prevention is the best protection. The Zero House Swing feature on an E50Z and an E55Z will bring you full peace of mind when operating the machine. The upper structure will fully remain within the footprint of the tracks. This includes the boom swing offset cylinder, front corners, handles, lights, and even door in both open and closed positions. The automatic track tensioning can be customized to fit the conditions the machine operates in. This saves you a lot of time and energy for maintenance while increasing the track's lifespan. The machines were designed to minimize the risk of damage, and in case of an accident, all the critical components are well protected to avoid any risk of a downtime. Machine is fitted with a proven Bobcat Stage 5 engine, which was specifically designed and validated for use in our compact construction equipment. While the engine is running, you will appreciate significantly lower noise levels compared to the previous generation. All maintenance points can be easily accessed just by lifting the rear and side cover. While getting into the cabin, you can see how easy it is to get in and out thanks to the special 3D shape of the handle, wide, unrestricted door entry, and large composite step thread. When you sit in a cabin, you will be overwhelmed by the space, comfort, ergonomics, and intuitive controls. I'm over 2 meters tall, and I can still find comfortable position with plenty of room around my feet and above my head. You will also notice the comfortable heated seat with headrest. In summer, you can enjoy the automatic air conditioning and 5 adjustable air outlets strategically positioned to ensure operators' comfort in all weather conditions. Opening the window for increased visibility or fresh air is easy and smooth. The front window functionality with smart shifted handles is just great. Thanks to the durable but narrow design of pillars, you can appreciate the panoramic visibility that will allow you to stay aware of your surroundings at all times. Those R2-Series machines were designed to have the best oversight stability to boost operators' confidence while doing heavy digging or lifting. Thanks to improved counterweight design and dual flange rollers, you can trust the machine in any situation. We've put all our experience into designing intuitive controls, thanks to which the work group feels like a natural extension of your hands from the moment you command the controls. With the class-leading dual-curve joysticks, the operation of the Bobcat excavator will be a pleasure. Joysticks are connected to the newly tuned main control valve, which enhances the smoothness and controllability of the workgroup functions. Thanks to up to 5 auxiliary hydraulic lines and our award-winning advanced selectable auxiliary control technology, you can customize the patterns and adjust speed of each function to match your preference and experience level with any attachment. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the new R2-Series Bobcat excavators where performance meets comfort.